Bill Gowdy checking in. It's a hot one today. I'm telling you. Oh, if it's not raining, it is humid. You know, it's that time. I've earned it. I've earned it. And look at this. Will you look at this? Little bush swag from Shane Sloan. All the way from Oklahoma. Oh, look at this. It's going to keep my beer cold and my hands warm. Like I need to, I don't want to warm up my beer, because I'll tell you what, it's hot today. I think it's 95 in the shade. Thank you, Crawdaddy Forge. He made this neck knife for me. Bottle opener, striker. It's a multi-use tool. It really is. I like to use it for that bottle opener. Now you know it's been a while. I've earned it. That is good. It's so cold it takes my breath away. I'm hot. I'm sweaty. I've been, well, mostly weed eating and chipping today. I got most of the mowing done, but the mower broke and I need to get some bolts for it. And I, rather than take, because it was such a nice day, rather than take the time to go do that, I went ahead and shifted gears a little and sweat my rear end off. That's for sure. I got pork chops out. You guys have all seen me do pork chops, but the other night I did those wings and I had leftovers, and I ate the wings, as leftovers, and they were so good. And I used that sauce, that pepper sauce, that garlic. It was honey garlic habanero, and I thought then it would be good. So I got some left over, and that's what I'm gonna do tonight. I'm just gonna make, I think I got 3 pork chops. I'm gonna grill them and douse them with a little of that, and I think I might have about a 1/4 cup of cottage cheese with my black pepper. And I think that's what I'm gonna have for supper. Now that's it. That and this cold beer. Mmm. You know what love is. You're gonna hear me. You're gonna hear me say it. Look at the goodness. It says Wingmaster, but we're gonna give it a go on the pork chops. Side 2. Oh, smell that goodness.
To Dick Bartley's classic hits on 94.5 The X. KRXL Kirksville. One awesome tune after another. You're locked on to Dick Bartley's classic hits on 94.5 The X.
I like a little pepper with my cottage cheese. It's so easy. You dip it right out of the container and then sprinkle a little pepper on there. That's all there is to it. Yeah, I like my salad. You know I do. But every now and then, it's nice to have. I think there's 5 carbs to a half a cup, and I got about a quarter cup there. So look at this. Let's give this a try. This is good. This is wing sauce on pork chops. It's good. It's got a sweet hot. Oh, I can really taste the habanero coming through. The honey. Somebody commented saying that it was like teriyaki, but no, there's no teriyaki with this. Vinegar. It does have soybeans, natural lemon juice, garlic, and habanero peppers. It is good. It says Wingmaster, but we're good on pork chops. Listen, thank you, Shane. Thank you very much. I'm going to finish eating. Listen to Dick Bartley. Hit the hay. Do it all again tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Bill Gaddy out.
Aluminum alloy F-150 thrashes the competition with best-in-class towing and torque.
Not surprised. Totally saw that coming.
Chad, how do you know so much about F-150 beating the competition?
I drive the competition. Got a 10-year
7 countdown slot. Here's Raspberry Beret by Prince. Some of the blockbuster movies were Silverado, Pee-wee's Big Adventure, Cocoon, Clint Eastwood's Pale Rider, and A View to a Kill starring Roger Moore as 007.
Good morning.